Welcome to Best Car Fixes. You see here, the LED is not working. Here, this LED is working. We put the headlight computer in there. We try to use all the tools to do initialization. You see this after you put it in. This is the code you get it. I am using this tool here. You see here, and if you notice here on the FRM module, footwell module, you're gonna get, we have like a couple of codes. I don't know what code, but let's see what we have there. So I'm gonna see 3 codes and then try to fix it. Okay, you see here, initialization P00FC3, initialization of the headlight module left is not done. That's why it's not coming on. So what you need to do here, before you go crazy, I don't want to go to test plan. Test plan, gotta go to service function, and then here go to body, and go to head lightning, and then initialize. You see here, initialize the headlight drive module. See here, and then you click on it, and then go to add to test plan or display. Now we are here. We're gonna go to the procedure. Just wait a little bit, it will be up. Okay, you see here, this is a code. The headlight driver module on the left side has been initialized. It says already initialized. Let me see now. It says already initialized. I'm trying to do something here. Now we're going to do the right side, right headlight module, right side driver module need not to be initialized. Adaptive of the LED light on the left headlamp has been started and taken approximately 10 seconds. Adaptation. Yes?
This is for you?
Okay, you see adaptation of the LED light right side being initialized. I'm going to click next. The headlight driver module function can be tested in the following: switch ignition on, switch the headlight off and on, a reference run must be visible. If the reference run is not visible, the service function must be performed again.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you? Service finished.